SciFly HD CPX brings optics and copper together as chip-adjacent systems or as pluggable modules sitting midboard on the PCB. These high-density copper or optical cable systems are integrated directly beside the silicon SerDes. This proximity eliminates long PCB traces, greatly reduces loss while preserving serviceability in a pluggable form factor. Hello, I'm John Riley, here at the Samtec booth at DesignCon 2026. The SciFly HD co-packaged system provides the highest density 224 gigabits per second PAM4 solution in today's market. Electrically pluggable co-packaged copper, CPC, and co-packaged optics solutions, CPO, are achievable on a 95 by 95 millimeter or smaller substrate using Samtec's SFCM connector. I'm here at the main presentation center, where we have a few options of co-packaged solutions. Our first example is with our friends at Broadcom. They've provided a 200G SerDes chip that's connected to our co-packaged copper cable that goes to the front panel through a flyover OSFP and then through a passive DAC that loops back through the co-packaged copper. Fantastic performance with great loss and bit error rates. Our second example is with our friends from Marvell. This example shows 16 64 differential pair sockets surrounding the chip. This can be used both with copper or with optics. The total output here is 1024 IOs off the chip. Our final example here is a interoperability ecosystem of what you can do with co-packaged copper and optics. Whether you're going to the front panel or the back plane with copper or optics, there are partners in the industry that can help with solutions all along the way, launching from our SciFly HD co-packaged solutions. For more information about these products, visit samtec.com/sci-fly-hd. I'm John Riley. Thanks for watching.